Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing FxPro in order to help you decide whether you should go for it or it is the right choice for your trading needs in 2026. So first of all, let's understand about the regulation and the safety. So FxPro has been operating since 2006 and it is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the FCA and Cyprus. It also keeps the client funds in the segregated accounts, which adds an extra layer of protection. FxPro is going to offer you forex, stocks, indices, commodities, futures, and cryptocurrencies. You can also trade using MT5, MT4C Trader, or the FxPro platform that makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. If we talk about the fee structure, so FxPro has no deposit fees, competitive spreads are there, and fast order execution. However, some of the withdrawal methods may take longer than others, and the fees from your payment provider may still apply. Now, the real question comes whether it is actually right for you or not. So, if you are looking for a well regulated broker with multiple trading platforms and a wide range of markets, then FxPro is a solid choice. But before opening an account, compare the spreads, the available instruments, and the account types in order to make sure that they match your trading style. So, if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.